You know something? She is good with money. When it comes to finances, she's a pretty good man. Huh?
Hey you, don't sneeze. You might have the disease. If you blow it out, watch out for the scout.
Huh?
Oh, here, Ross. Here.
What? No, I can't use that as monograph. You can't blow on your family crest. No, I'm sorry, Jerry. Oh, I can't...
The scout will come, then you will be done. Off you go to virus camp, where you will be a champ. No heroes work there. It's a place where people don't care. It's time for quarantine. Please don't be mean. You must wait until the cabal says it's okay. And you don't have a say. Don't think you've been hoaxed. You've just been coaxed.
Almost made it.
You all right?
Yeah, but just a sneeze.
Because you had a snot, you might be forced to get a shot.
It must have been a beaut to blow off your socks and underwear.
Down the rabbit hole you went. Just look for the vent. It's all make-believe. So just don't believe. Lies seem like truth. So don't be a goof. Get out while you can. Next comes the frying pan. Pull the plug on the TV. Now you can begin to see the spell was cast. It need not last. Jesus can set you free. He only is the key. And if you happen to sneeze, just let it go to the breeze. No one will die from your discharge, so you don't have to run far. Perhaps none will say God bless you, but there's nothing you can do. Thank you for watching.